Today I'm going to go over with you how I make a knife. You start out with a piece of 5160 bar stock. It's about 1.25 inches by about 5/16. I'm going to forge it down to about 1 inch by 3/16. And then start out my blade freeform. This is a recycled bar I usually use. I'll be using my 125-pound Trenton anvil and my propane forge, which is already heated up. Right now I'm going to be forging in the blade freeform. This top edge right here is actually going to be at the back of the knife, and this is going to be the cutting edge. Because when I go to squeeze down this to make it the cutting edge, it's going to squeeze the metal and push this back. This shape right here is going to give me a swept point. That simple. This side of the die is tapered. That allows me to hammer in the knife edge in one heat. And it keeps the strokes the same, so the metal moves the same on both sides. Now that I got most of this forged in, I got to come in and make this a little bit crisper. I also am looking at right here to get that back into the center. There you go. 4.5-inch hunter in 4 heats. This is going to be a hidden tang knife. So I'm going to cut it with enough stock to make a rat tail. Well, forge in. From here, I'm going to put it back in the forge, heat it up, and then I'm going to straighten it. You can see how distorted it is for forging, but it's 90% in shape. Basically very little grinding, mostly just break off the scale, bring it up to 240 grit, heat treat it, and temper it. Okay, so far we've had 7 heats to make this blade. All I did before is straighten it up, and now we're going to thermal cycle it, normalize it 3 times to reduce the forging stresses. This keeps it from warping when I go to heat treat it. So basically we heated it up to the critical temperature to the point where it's not magnetic, and we're letting it air cool to below critical temperature where it's magnetic again. I can tell that by the color. And I'll put it back in the forge. I'm going to do that 3 times.